In this video, I'm going to be talking about how does Amazon Marketplace work. Amazon Marketplace is an e-commerce platform that allows third-party sellers to list and sell new or used products directly to Amazon's vast consumer base. So it operates alongside Amazon's own retail offerings, giving sellers access to a massive audience and a global fulfillment network. So first, for you to become a seller, to get started, you must create a seller account. You have an individual selling plan and a professional selling plan. If you acquire the individual selling plan, this is going to be the best for people selling fewer than 40 items per month. It has no monthly subscription fee, but you pay a dollar fee for each item sold plus a referral fee. For the professional selling plan instead, this is going to be when you are selling more than 40 items a month. It costs a monthly subscription fee of $39.99, but you don't pay the per item fee. This plan also unlocks additional tools and features like the ability to customize shipping rates and access to advertising options. Once you have the seller account, you will be able to list your products. You can list the essential details, and then a critical part on how Amazon Marketplace works is the fulfillment options. This is going to determine who is responsible for storing and shipping your products. So the two primary models are going to be fulfillment by Amazon and fulfilled by merchant. With FBA, so fulfillment by Amazon, you send your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers and they will handle storage, packing, shipping, customer service, and returns. So it is essentially a hands-off approach, but it has additional fees, including the storage fees. If you do fulfillment by merchant, you are responsible for all aspects of shipping. You store the product yourself, you handle the packing, shipping, and customer service. You can do this yourself or use a third-party logistics company. This will give you more control over the entire system, but you will have to manage it yourself, which can be time-consuming. With all of that said, it is still a wonderful feature included into Amazon, so you can start a business and sell your items directly through Amazon. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.